another idea of how to give any room in the house a fresh look, to add an accent piece with flowers, fresh flowers, or just rocks and beautiful candles. This one is very seasonal, and I love this one. I usually do this in summertime. It kind of reminds me of our beach trips, and also all the walks we do on the beach and collect shells. Of course, these were the ones that we actually have bought from stores, or family and friends have brought us as gifts. For one important thing is for the height, because we didn't have enough shells, I put some river rocks on the first layer, and on the top I layered our shells based on their color, their shape, and their size, and they kind of layered them on top of each other. And it's just a nice fresh look. Reminds you of a beach. I hope you enjoy it.